I had one of these served me in Brisbane.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they have them in Brisbane.
Okay, that's nice. Yeah.
So an Emporium hot pot?
Yeah, they use this to serve your dish.
Wow.
Yeah.
Does it meow?
Yeah, it does. You know, if you go to the hot pot store in Emporium, they use this
Or in
pot.
Dandenong?
No, it's only in city, I think.
Only in the city?
Yeah.
I had one of these served me in Brisbane.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they have them in Brisbane as well.
Okay, that's nice. Yeah.
So an Emporium hot pot?
Yeah, they use this to serve your dish.
Wow.
Yeah.
Does it meow?
Yeah, it does. And it kind of stops if two of them, like...
Oh, like me.
They can't move. Like, they will ask for the human sisters to move them away, like throw them away.
Really?
Yeah, very dumbass.
Super dumb.
Yeah.
Super dumb little design AI robot. Huh?
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, and this is the one, like, our coworker, Ninja. He had this for his birthday gift.
Yes, for
that's why this one is open, so we can have a quick look at inside.
Oh, is this his one?
Yeah, his one. Very easy build, only 2 screws.
Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so easy.
And that's the face and the...
So, you know how I said next week?
Yeah.
I said that next week, quickly here.
Mm-hmm.
Next week I want to try and do a build on the live videos. What do you guys think about building in the live video? Because you did really well last time we did it.
Yeah.
Maybe, I mean, this might be too quick for you. But the aim is to build something really quickly in the live.
Yeah.
Just to boom.
Boom.
We're not going to talk about anything. We'll have a really quick catch up for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And we're just going to talk to you while we build.
Yeah.
We're going to build awesome models. Everyone's going to do something different. I'm going to do something I've never done before, I think. So stay tuned for that.
Wow.
Yeah, not a Gundam. Not a Gundam. All right, let's go back over to this. And then, maybe this might be a little bit too simple, but we'll have a brainstorm of what
we will figure this out.
Robotics you can build.
Yeah.
Sticker sheet?
Yeah.
Blech. You got many faces. What's your favorite face?
Sleeping one.
No, it's blowing a bubble. It's a snot bubble.
Yeah. Which one is your favorite?
Naughty. Naughty. The
wink.
Yeah, the winking.
Wink.
There we go.
Funny.
A nice little wink over here.
Yeah.
Ka-ching. And then the screen. Oh my god, that's the cat's body.
Yeah. No, I feel it's a bit weird to stick the body, like.
Yeah.
It looks like you track the cat in the robot, like.
There you go.
Yeah.
That's a really cool little quick kit.
Yeah, that's a funny one.
My favorite is still, I think,
the
Hasagawa like vending machines.
Oh, yeah, that one. And
Those
also
are cool.
the gacha.
Yeah. That was a cool one. And it came with all the little gacha.
Little gacha balls. Like
yeah.
Yeah.
They were cool. Were cool.
It's gone so quick.
Yeah.
I was thinking to get one and it's gone.
It was gone in like 2 days.
2 days.
We had like 5 of each.
Yeah.